In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to integrate Jira with Bitbucket so you can seamlessly connect your project management and your code repositories. This integration is extremely useful for development teams because it allows you to link commits, branches, and pull requests directly to Jira issues, giving you full visibility into your development workflow. If you're managing sprints, tracking bugs, or collaborating with a team, this setup will save you a lot of time. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Jira account and open the project where you want to integrate Bitbucket. Once you're inside your Jira project dashboard, look toward the top navigation bar. Here you'll find an option called More. Go ahead and click on More to reveal additional settings and options related to your Jira instance. From the drop-down menu, click on Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace section within Jira, where you can discover and manage integrations and extensions that enhance Jira's functionality. Once the Apps page loads, you'll see a search bar. Click inside the search field and type Bitbucket. This will filter the available apps related to Bitbucket integrations. In the search results, locate Bitbucket and click on it. You'll now see a list of available connectors and tools designed to connect Jira with Bitbucket. Next, find the option called Connector for Bitbucket and Jira. This is the app that enables the integration between the two platforms. Click on it to open the app's details page, where you can review features, compatibility, and user information. On the app page, click on the Get It Now button. Jira will prompt you to review the installation details and permissions required for the connector to work properly. Take a moment to review the information shown on the screen. This step is important so you understand what access the app will have within your Jira environment. Once you're comfortable, proceed by clicking Review. Finally, click on Get It Now or Install to complete the installation process. Jira will now install the connector and begin setting up the integration between Jira and Bitbucket. After installation, you'll be able to link Jira issues to Bitbucket commits, branches, and pull requests automatically. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Jira with Bitbucket, making it easier to track development progress directly from your Jira issues. This integration helps improve transparency, collaboration, and overall productivity for your team. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.